Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In Python, classes are an essential component of object-oriented programming, OOP. As your Python projects grow in complexity, it becomes necessary to organize your classes in a structured and modular way. This tutorial will explore various possibilities for organizing Python classes across multiple files to improve code maintainability and readability. Python allows you to define classes in separate files, making it easier to manage your code base as it grows. Organizing your classes across files also promotes code reuse and helps maintain a clean code structure. The most straightforward way to organize classes across files is to define each class in its own Python file, module. For example, this approach is suitable for small projects or when the classes are not deeply interconnected. You can also organize related classes within the same module. This approach is suitable when classes are closely related or used together. For example, for larger projects, you can use packages to group related classes together. A package is a directory containing multiple Python modules. Here's how you can organize classes into packages. In this structure, each subdirectory, example vehicles and persons, is a package, and each package can contain multiple related classes. To use classes from other files, you need to import them. For example, to use the car class from vehicles.py in main.py. When working with class inheritance, it's essential to maintain a clear hierarchy. Organize your base and derived classes logically in the same module or package. For example, let's create an example project to organize a library with books and authors. Authors/author.py. Books/book.py. Main.py. Organizing Python classes across files is a crucial aspect of code structure and maintainability. By adopting modular approaches like using packages and maintaining clear class hierarchies, you can write cleaner, more organized code for projects of any size. Remember to use imports effectively to access classes from other files, and you'll be well on your way to writing more maintainable Python code. ChatGPT.